Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Amazon to your Shopify account. Then I will give you the easy method to dropship any product on Amazon to your Shopify store. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open amazon.com. Then after creating your account on Amazon and verify it with your email address or phone number, just scroll to the bottom. Then guys, go directly to become an affiliate. Then hit on become an affiliate. Then it's take you directly to Amazon Associate program. Then if you don't have an account on Amazon Associate program, then you need to create one and verify it with the simple process. Then guys, after finish creating an account on Amazon Associate, go back to Shopify dashboard. Then guys, open and hit on settings on the bottom. Then guys, scroll down to apps and sales channel. Then guys, go and Shopify App Store on the top. Then guys, you need to upload and install application. Then in the search bar at top, and the search bar tap Amazon. Then guys, it's give you a bunch of different applications, but there is a free version, Amazon Integration Plus, but it's not good for a beginner. I prefer to choose this one, Amazon Portal. It's only $5 for each month. It's give you I think 7 days free trial. Then it's good for it's easy to import, it's easy to use for a beginner or a dropshipper. Then guys, hit on Amazon Importer. Then guys, hit on install to install the application on your Shopify account. Then guys, it's take a few seconds, it's very easy guys. Then hit on install. Then I wait a few seconds to install the application on your Shopify account. Then guys, this is the dashboard of your Shopify, this is the dashboard of your application. Then guys, in the top, hit on settings. Then guys, you need to add your affiliate associate ID. Then if you want this associate ID, then go directly to Amazon Associate program. Then on the top, you need to copy the ID. Then hit on copy, then go to the settings and paste it. Then guys, hit on save. Then automatically your Amazon Associate program and Amazon Associate account was linked successfully to this application. Then guys, hit on home on the top. Then if you want to add and import any product Amazon to your Shopify store, just go and open amazon.com. Then for example, hit on amazon.com, Amazon, then open account. Then guys, for example, I choose a random product, for example this one. Then guys, hit for example this one. Then guys, if you want to import this product and this category product to from Amazon to Shopify, just make sure to finish this video until the end to be able to easily import any product from Amazon to Shopify. Then guys, first you need to copy the link of the product. Then hit and copy the link. Then go directly to the dashboard and paste the product on the search bar. Then guys, hit on add product. Then wait a few seconds to import product from Amazon to your Shopify. It's take a few seconds guys, don't worry, and easy to import any product from Amazon to your Shopify store. Then guys, the product was added successfully. Then hit on close. But guys, you need to edit the product on your application first. Then on the right side, hit on edit. Then guys, you need to customize the product first. For example, the title, you need to customize the title, watch for man black. Just tap the name of the brand, watch for man black, for example, and remove all of this. Then guys, you can add something in the description or you can remove it, the color, the features, anything, the model number, for example, you can remove it or whatever you want. Then guys, and scroll down to the media. You can also add some pictures and you can change the main picture, for example this one or this one. Then guys, you can easily add some pictures and the category, for example watch or man watches for example. Then in the pricing section guys, make sure to increase the price. Then guys, for example 350, make it 520. Then guys, the comparative price, for example 600. Then guys, scroll to inventory, for example the SKU. Then if you want to add it or you can remove it. Then guys, the quantity, if you want to increase the quantity you can increase it. The shipping section, the weight, it's 0.33. Then guys, if you want to add some variation for your product, then guys, on the last, hit on save. Then guys, if you want to remove this product, just tap on delete or you can hit on save. Then the product was added and saved successfully to your Shopify store. Then guys, if you want to, then hit on Shopify dashboard, then go and tap on product. Then guys, you see guys, the product was added successfully to your Shopify, it's active and sales channel 1. Then guys, if you want to preview online store, then hit on this eye icon. It will take you directly to your Shopify store. As you see guys, this is your Shopify store and the product always look like in your Shopify. As you see guys, this is the easy method to import any product from Amazon to your Shopify. Then guys, if you want to add some product, for example this one also, just tap this product and tap the link, copy, go to the application, paste it. It's easy guys. Then add product, wait a few seconds, then the product, it will imported and drop shipped from Amazon to Shopify. It's easy guys. As you see guys, the product was added successfully. Also you can edit the product and customize it, then automatically the product was added to your Shopify. As you see guys, hit on product, hit on product again. As you see guys, the product also was added successfully. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.